Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the fundamentals: exposure, white balance, and contrast, in that order. Use RAW if available because it preserves highlight and shadow detail. Once done, apply your chosen working profile, sRGB for web or Adobe RGB for print, to keep colors consistent. Make small, deliberate moves, +0. 2 to +0. 6 stops exposure, warm or cool white balance by 200-800K. Then increase contrast to restore punch. These changes set the canvas for targeted. Once the base is stable, refine colors with HSL or a targeted adjustment tool to change specific hues without harming others. You adjust saturation and luminance per color channel. For example, reduce green saturation to tame foliage while brightening its luminance to avoid muddy tones. Make sure to protect skin tones by isolating magenta and red channels and using masks. Also use local gradients or radial masks to boost color in focal areas. This keeps edits natural and directed. You finish by applying a cautious global vibrance adjustment, then perform final sharpening and export with the correct profile for destination. Once done, inspect at 100% and preview on the target device. Soft proof before printing to catch gamut issues. If you encounter banding in gradients, reduce extreme saturation or add a tiny amount of noise or film grain to break the bands. And if colors shift after export, recheck your export profile and embedded metadata to ensure consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.